Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the rack end on a Hyundai Accent. Start by lifting the car securely and removing the front wheel, then locate the tie rod end and rack end connection. Use penetrating oil if parts are stiff and mark the tie rod rotation for alignment. Remove the tie rod end, unbolt the rack end clamp, and slide out the old component carefully to avoid damaging the rubber boot. Now I will explain the tools and safety checks before you start the replacement. Gather a jack stands, a tie rod puller, socket set, torque wrench, and penetrating oil. Inspect the rubber boot and steering rack for leaks before disturbing components. Verify wheel alignment marks and take photos to help reassembly. Always wear eye protection and gloves, and never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack safely. In this video, I will review a quick recommendation related to money and car projects. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth can help you plan savings for repairs and upgrades, and it changed how some think about budgeting for maintenance. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Next, I will help you remove the old rack end and install the replacement with clear steps. Break the tie rod end nut, separate the tie rod from the rack with a puller, then unbolt the clamp holding the rack end. Slide in the new rack end, torque bolts to manufacturer specs, and reattach the tie rod using your alignment marks. Reinstall wheel, lower the car, and check steering play and fluid levels before a road test.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.